Hey, busy fam. What's going on with you? Hot damn. I'm so tired. Look at my hand on my face. I'm going to fall asleep. Alright, guys, so I'm starting the vlog extra late. And it'll be extra late. It's probably like 12 o'clock right now. Yeah, about 12 o'clock. So, yeah. Stuff happened today. Yeah, stuff happened today. I'm gonna tell you what happened today, and the reason why I'm starting the vlog so extra late, and it's probably gonna be extra short. First, I woke up early. That happened on Saturday. Second, wait for it. I got up, shaved and showered because I had to go to work. Yay! So excited. Third, ding. Went to go pick up my buddy because we had to go to work today, and luckily we only had to be there at 12, but we got there at like 10, so I picked him up around 9:51. Yay, early. 4. One of those just quattro 4. Um, we got to work, but before that we went to get some breakfast because we were hungry. Got to work, and then we went to the back and got some stuff we needed to get and came back to the front. So the folks, 3 people that were coming in, could do what they gotta do. Wait for it. Those folks came around 12. We were sitting there for quite some time. I don't think there's a watch there. Anyway, we were sitting there for quite some time waiting for them. They came in, they got what they needed, they walked across the street. But wait, there's just a little bit more. 5. Uno, dos, cuatro, cinco, 5. Whatever. So, after they left, we waited. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Now here's the kicker. We were told that, hey, I'm gonna try to get us ahead so that we don't have you guys waiting here all day. Okay, sounds great. Ding, 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 ding. Cool. But we waited. And we waited. And then we waited some more. And then we waited just a little bit more. And then they came back. Yeah, they came back. And all that waiting, whilst doing a little bit of work, which, yeah. Of the 3 folks that had to do a task, 1 qualified, 1 couldn't fire because there wasn't enough resources, and the other 1 couldn't qualify. So basically got a 1 out of 3. We were there from 10:30 to around 4 in the afternoon. Now I get you guys might tell me, oh, that's not a long time. On your day off, it's a long time. Especially when you're just sitting there awaiting. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan at all. And then, I think I'm on like 6. Right afterward, changed into regular clothes. I'm really yawning a lot because I'm tired. I'm not gonna edit that out. Went to go to Uber. Did a little bit of Uber. Went to go get something to eat. Got something to eat. Came home. Ate it. And thought, okay, right after I eat, give myself an hour. I'm gonna go back out and Uber. What did I do? I did exactly not that. I got back home And I ate. Then I started watching TV. Then I thought, you know what? I should edit some vlogs. And that's what I've been doing for the last couple hours. Editing vlog. That's what I've been doing for the last couple hours. I've been editing vlogs so I can upload for you, busy fam. Because why? One, I'm behind, obviously, and two, let's be really honest. You get busy, stay busy, especially if it's like a good thing. So that's what's been going on for the last few hours, and I'm tired. And it's like almost 12 in the morning. Yay! So now this is what's going to happen. I am probably going to go to sleep here in a little bit because I am legitimately tired. I'm going to edit some more vlogs tomorrow. I'm going to vlog some more tomorrow and try to catch up with you guys. And you guys catch up with me the whole night. And yeah, most likely going to do that. At the same time, do some Ubering because I want to make money and do stuff. All right. So with that being said, that's the vlog. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, bright and early, but not too early because it's Sunday. Okay? Remember, take care of each other, but more importantly, take care of yourself. Out of here.